Okay, class, what we're going to do in this video assignment is I am going to go through an equation, and I want you to be paying attention to a couple of different things. I want you to tell me what algebraic properties I'm using to go between each step. So from step 1 to step 2, what algebraic property did I use? And I also want you, and the same thing for step 2 to step 3, and step 3 to step 4. I also want you to be paying attention to my math and find the mistake, because I made a mistake in this problem solving process, and I want you to tell me in which step I made a mistake, what my mistake was, and then I want you to work through it and give me the correct answer. Okay, so our original equation is 4x plus 3 equals 2 times the quantity x minus 8. So in step 1 I have 4x plus 3 equals 2x minus 16. What algebraic property did I use to go from the original equation to step 1? Step 2, 2x plus 3 equals 16. Step 3, I have 2x equals 13. And in step 4, I got x equals 13 halves. Okay.